Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is installing sequential turn signals to the XSE Camry. This fit all Camrys that has the turn signal mirrors, but it does not fit the Camrys that has the bird's eye view underneath. Okay, you cannot have the bird's eye view because it doesn't have it on the aftermarket one, okay? So the first thing you need to do is take off the mirror cap. If you need to learn how to take off the mirror cap, I'm gonna leave a link to one of my previous videos up here. Make sure you take this off. That's all in the previous video. And we're gonna take off this whole bottom piece right here. There's a tab down here. There's two of them, one right here and the other one's down here. You gotta take those off and pull at the same time. The last tab is gonna be right here. The inside, it'll be right here. If you hit all three of those tabs, it comes out. You're gonna take this plug off right here. The best way to get to that plug is by lifting up this tab right here. That. Okay, it's the OEM one. And this is the aftermarket one. All of them come in smoke and the sequential. It's literally just plug and play. You're taking that part off with a couple tabs. You're gonna take this, you're gonna plug it into there, just like that. Ain't nothing crazy. You don't gotta hide a wire. The wire just sits in there. Alright, and you go put this piece right back down there. It has the same exact tabs.
Working?
Yep.
So sick, bro. I wish I could put them on.
If it doesn't work after you initially plug it in, take the wire apart and flip it around and plug it right back in. And it should work.
Yep.
Wow, this time it came off with it. Is this the one?
What?
The sequentials.
No. Can we put them on?
Yeah, so I know if it works or not. If you're interested in purchasing these sequential smoke turn signals, we'll leave the link inside the description below. This is an eBay, AliExpress type item, comes from China.